Hello and welcome to Pam's Joy of Cooking. I'm your cook, Pam. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make classic beef stroganoff. You're going to love this because it's simple, quick, and easy, and it's a one-pot meal. Let's go over some of the ingredients that we're going to use. So, filet mignon right here. You can also use skirt steak, but I like to use filet mignon because it's so tender. So we have garlic. We have salt and pepper, we have beef stock, we have parsley, we have mushrooms, sour cream, dry white wine, and Worcestershire sauce. So these are our ingredients. Oh yes, and of course, wide egg noodles. Alright guys, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to season the meat. I got some kosher salt. Also going to add some pepper. Look at that, yummy. Okay, now we're going to take our onion and just slice it thinly. Okay, we got a white onion here. I like to use white onions. They're just a little milder and a little sweeter. Okay, there's our onions. Okay guys, with mushrooms, you never want to put them in water. It just makes them hold water. They're like a sponge. So what you're going to want to do is take each one of them and wipe them off with a paper towel until they're totally clean. So I'm going to go ahead and go do that, and then I'll get back to you and we'll start slicing these. Okay, I have my mushrooms here all wiped off. I actually used a dish towel and it worked amazing. So that's what I'm going to do from now on. So we're going to go ahead and start slicing up our mushrooms. I actually like to dice them, so that's what we're going to do. Just going to coarsely chop these up. Perfect. I have a little handful of garlic. I need to use these up, so this is what I'm going to use. I will have exact ingredients amounts in the description box. So I'm just going to give these a slight little that. Makes them easier to break open. So I've added 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to be cooking that over a medium-high heat. And I'm going to be cooking our filet mignon in this pan. Okay, now I'm going to add the steak to the butter in a single layer. And I'm going to cook the steak undisturbed until seared about 3 minutes. You always want to try to let your meat cook undisturbed for a few minutes before you turn it so it can get that nice crust. Okay, now I've added the remaining butter to the same saute pan and melted it. Now I'm going to add the onions to the melted butter and saute until tender, about 3 minutes. We're going to cook these onions about 3 minutes until they're tender. Now that I've added the mushrooms to the onions, I'm going to saute them until the mushrooms are cooked and the onions are soft, about another 5 to 7 minutes. Going to go ahead and add a little salt. Okay, I've added the white wine and now I'm deglazing the pan. This smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to add my Worcester to my beef stock. I have 3 tablespoons of flour right here. I'm going to be adding to my beef stock and my Worcester sauce and blending that all together. I poured the beef stock mixture into the mushroom mixture and I stirred it to combine. And now I'm going to let the mushroom mixture simmer, stirring it occasionally about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. Now I'm going to stir in the sour cream and the cooked steak. We're just going to mix this up really good and combine it really good. And then we're going to serve it over our cooked noodles. Look at that delicious mushroom, steak, and onion gravy. A little salt to the water. Always salt my pasta water. We're going to prepare the pasta according to the package directions. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna run this over to my dad.